This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Daignault-Ives. Brand new construction on 1 acre in desirable gated community. Finished 8 mid-deck. Cul-de-sac lot. Grand great room layout with coffered ceilings and double sliding doors overlooking the huge screened patio and pool area. Perfect floor plan for the growing family. Master has its own wing, then each 2-bedroom/bath grouping has its own wing. Perfect setup for optional in-law arrangement. Spacious dining room also boasts coffered ceilings. Open island kitchen offers spacious nook, white cabinets, quartz countertops and a big pantry. Tile plank flooring throughout with carpeted bedrooms. 5th bedroom is perfect for an office, den or gym. Attractive paver driveway and spacious lot. Closing cost incentive with preferred lender. Come see this one today. For more information.